Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can extract an audio from a video and how you can add like other audios to your video. So select the video that you want to extract the audio from, and then just select extract audio, and I'm just going to select this audio and press delete. Then I'm just going to go to sounds and select a sound that I want to add to the video. Then I'm just going to press the plus button, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!